Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're seeing the VIX cash trending lower at the low end of the range for the week, 1720 currently, as the SPX is pushing to new all-time highs. And we are seeing the VIX cash coming off a high of 2185 a couple days ago. So coming in quite substantially as the SPX has now realized this upward momentum. Realized volatility, week over week, 30-day realized volatility is down again, down to 10.5%. So we continue to see that compress as the markets are not realizing just that significant of price movement on a day-to-day basis. Looking at the roll market in the VIX Futures, we're seeing that widen out to $2.20. That's out 35 cents. So the entire futures curve is shifting lower today, so they're all lower. We're also seeing it steepen as those near-dated futures are down more so than the back-month futures. Looking at the at-the-money straddle in the SPX, 13%. That continues to hold or trend a little lower as the market, again, is not realizing that significant of price movement on a day-over-day basis. Skew measure, though, is actually out. So we're seeing that increase to 144 currently. So that has increased. So that implies that way out of the money puts, we're seeing an increase in demand for way out of the money puts week over week. Looking at the activity in the VIX, VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX Options, that's 105. That's the low end of the range for this week. We are seeing it trending lower here as well. So we're seeing, again, demand for those VIX options coming in a little bit here, and the activity today was really in May, and it's out of the money calls. Lots of either call spreads, but we did see an interesting trade, a 1 by 12. It looks like one up, a ratio spread between the 47.5 strike call and the 60 call. So something that's a little bit out of the norm today when you look at the activity on the VIX options. Next week, I want to point out that we have new all-time highs here currently for the SPX and the Dow, so the market's going to have to contend with that. Also, data points highlighted by CPI and retail sales, and we're going to have a lot of Fed speak next week as well that could influence the vol structure.